Hi friends, this is Vijay Joshi. I'm a chartered accountant and enrollment agent to represent you in front of the IRS. I have extensive experience in both USA and international taxation, particularly between India and the United States. I moved to the USA in 2014 and previously served as CFO for a large oil and gas companies. Currently, I am proud to lead the tax division at Orange Law Firm, where I work closely with the clients on a wide range of IRS matters. In India, I had served in senior leadership positions as CEO, CFO with companies like Deloitte, Dunlop, Birla Group, and Onida. Over the past 10 years, I have worked on everything from IRS audits and litigation to advising clients, individuals, and businesses on strategic tax planning. One of my core strengths is helping clients largely legally minimizing their taxes by structuring their finances the right way and presenting those numbers strategically on the tax return. There are many legitimate strategies to reduce your tax burden, but all start with how you organize and report your finances. The IRS is getting more sophisticated, especially with AI-based tools that scan and flag returns. That means how you present your returns matters more than ever, and that's where I come in. In this podcast, I will be sharing regular updates and expert advice on changes in the tax laws, how to prepare and present your tax returns, tips to avoid unnecessary IRS attention items, and how to stay audit ready while still getting every deduction you deserve. This episode is focused on the latest proposed tax bill, which comes under the new Trump era framework. I'm excited, and I think everybody is excited to say some of the proposed changes are very beneficial for both business owners and individual taxpayers. Today, I'm focused specifically on the business-related changes in the tax bill. More episodes are coming where I will explore other aspects in detail. If you have any question about your tax situation, business structuring, or accounting strategies, feel free to reach out. My contact information, phone number, emails are provided below. I'm here to help you protect and grow your hard-earned money. Thank you. Let's dive in. So, hi business owners, quick but powerful update. There's a lot happening in the tax world right now, and that's what I'm going to unfold fast. The bill already includes huge wins for the small business owners. I've identified a few key takeaways that can help you plan right now. Number one, qualified business income deduction increased to 23%. Earlier it was 20%. It means that if you own a pass-through business and make 100,000 in profit, you now get deduction of 23,000 right off the top before standard or itemized deduction. That 23% of your income completely untaxed. This is now permanent under the House bill. Number two, opportunity zone. It's very important to understand what is opportunity zones. We can talk later on this thing, but I briefly tell you what are the tax advantages of this. If you invest capital gain into an opportunity zone and hold it for 5 years, you will get a 10% startup in basis. And if you hold it for 7 years in rural area, you get a 30% startup. And if you continue to hold it for 10 years, you will pay no tax on any gain made while you had the investment. This is a huge real estate and long-term wealth building. Very, very important. Now we talk about third item, which is a bonus business returns to 100%. Buy a vehicle, equipment, and do cost segregation on real estate, 100% depreciation is back. This means actual expenses, auto deductions, all are far more attractive than mileage in most cases. Immediately, a very important thing which is important is for the manufacturing building. Build or buy a facility for manufacturing, even a small furniture shop or wood workshop. You can write off the entire cost in 1 year, not in 39 years. It's such an important for your business cash flows. And if you are not able to absorb this in 1 year, because the initial year you don't make so much profit, but you can carry forward as long as, and there's no tax there is no loss of anything, and you gain in the future also. Entertainment deductions. If you remember, this was not available. The entertainment which we do with the right of our golf shows and sport events with clients, it was not allowed. But now, this time, I saw that the bill is silent about this. It means that this deduction is back, so we can 100% claim entertainment deduction in our tax returns. 100% deduction for certain business bills. Presently, we get 50% deductibility on the certain business bills. But I noticed that in this bill, they are not talking about that. And mean that it again 100% depreciation, 100% certain mean business expenses will be deductible in our tax rate. Auto loan interest is also 100% of a specified qualified vehicles. You get 100% auto loan interest depreciation, interest deductions in your tax return. The most important thing, which is very good for your employees, they will feel good, but they don't have to pay any tax-free overtime and tips for employees. But please mind, it is not for you as an owner. It's only for your employees. Now, employees can receive tax-free tips and overtime under the new bill. But as an owner, you cannot pay yourself overtime to avoid taxes, as I mentioned earlier. Also, even though your employees may not be taxed, but you still owe FICA payroll taxes on their overtime wages, which is a really good thing. And also, there is a limit up to 160,000 of the gross salaries and income of the employee. So these are very important deductions which saves huge amount of taxation to both for our businesses as well as to employees, right? And I will be sharing more on this in my future once other things are there. Please contact us at the Orange Law. My details are mentioned down in this thing. Subscribe to us and we will be happy to talk to you. As I mentioned in my beginning, that our expertise is business structuring, accounting structuring, and also the litigation matters with the IRS and any audit queries which come. Please contact me. I am Vijay Joshi. I am expert IRS representative to handle your cases very smoothly. Last year we did a lot of cases, and I worked with the attorney Karan, who is expert in litigation matters in the Supreme Court of Texas, and he helps me in getting this thing. But my experience and knowledge and experience of a firm, we all resolve all the matter at the supervisory level with the IRS, which is good for us. We save time, we save money, and we give you peace of mind. Please do contact me for any litigation matters. Thank you very much for your listening. Thank you very much.
888-369-0008 or learn more on www.orangelaw.us.